Hello, I'm Roger Gillette from Schaeffler Service Brand Rep Expert. Today, we're going to go over a common call to the tech line, the self-aligning bearing. This call comes in regarding the bearing and its center not being aligned or from having movement directly out of the box. This movement is perfectly acceptable. The reason for this is to allow for angular distortions while maintaining proper contact with the clutch, as well as for ease of installation. Over time, the mating components can warp or distort, causing the contact angle to change. Other outside influences can be worn transmission or engine mounts, worn universal joints in the drive shaft, or even worn suspension components, all allowing the transmission and engine to slightly alter their angular alignment in the vehicle. Without the self-aligning bearing, those outside forces can cause premature failure of the release bearing or clutch. So, as you go to install this component, rest assured you will get the long life that you're expected out of a quality loop clutch component. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you can always reach out to us on any Rep Expert portal.